Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all?
We are fine, thank
fine,
you.
thank you.
Okay, very good.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing good. Thank you very much. My dear students, I'm fine. Thank you, my dear. Okay. Today we will be continuing with the exercises of lesson number 9. Oh Nani, tell me a tale. I believe we all have discussed the meanings of selected words from the lesson, and I had instructed you all to write and learn the meanings, the word meanings. Have you been able to do that? Those who have done it, please show it to me now. Those who have written and learned the meanings, word meanings, please show them to me.
Ma'am, I didn't know it was the previous class.
No, it's okay, Zara. Yeah. Write and learn means it is to be done in the rough notebook. Yes? So don't show me the textbook. Textbook, okay, fine, you have written. But what about writing and learning? Okay, very good. Anthony, Ishan, Antons, Minto, Malavika. Very good. Okay. Suresh, Daksha Lakshmi. Very good, very good. Okay. Now, today we will be discussing the remaining part of the exercises. That is the question answers. Please move to page number 4. Keep your pencil box with you. Page number 4. Page number 4. Page number 4. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I want Krishna Raj to unmute his device and read question number 1. Yes, Krishna Raj.
Mental. Any three things that the children want to hear about.
1 second. M-E-N-T-I-O-N. M-E-N-T-I-O-N. Mention.
Mention.
Mention. To mention means to speak or write about something. To mention means, yes, Afrin.
Which book?
Afrin, what a question is this? I send the messages every day for every class, right?
Yes.
Then is it fair for you all to ask in between the class? Please think about it. Literature textbook part 2. Okay? And once again, I am requesting and instructing you all very strictly. Please check the messages regularly. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
This shows how responsible you are as a student. You must get the books and be ready with the books as instructed before joining for the class. Is it clear?
Okay.
Okay. Keep that in mind, all of you. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Veda.
I'm in my mother's home. That's why I don't take the part 2 book.
Okay, I'll be sharing. You can make use of it. And next time onwards, when you're traveling to other places, keep the books with you as per the timetable.
Yes. Yes.
Samanvaya, tale bean story. Yes, yes, written and learned. Okay, good.
Tomorrow I go in my
Okay, fine.
I didn't show that why I show.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. The first question. Mention any three things that the child, C-H-I-L-D. Krishna Raj, unmute your device. Krishna Raj, unmute. C-H-I-L-D. Child. How did you read it?
Mental.
No. That is fine. That I already corrected you. But the next word, C-H-I-L-D. How would you read that?
Children.
No. C-H-I-L-D. Only that much is there. So how would you read that? Child. It is to be read as child, not chilled. Child.
Child.
Child. Okay, Krishnaraj, did you understand
Yes.
now? And the
Okay.
first word, try to read it one more time.
Mention
Yeah.
any three things that the
Child
child wants to hear about.
wants to hear about. Yes, very good. The child wants to hear about. Yes. Mention any three things that the child wants to hear about. Okay. I told you the meaning of the word mention. Mention means
To
let me see
Say-
who all have listened to.
say something.
Yes, very good. To speak or write about. Both can be said as mention. To speak or write about. Okay. Here in the poem, the words are written or printed about, right? So that also can be taken as mention. Mention any three things that the child wants to hear about. Now we all know that as per the poem, "Oh Nani, Tell Me a Tale," the child wants to hear stories about different things around him or her. I want Krishna Raj to tell me three things, any three things that the child wants to hear about. Come on, Krishna.
Story.
No. Hear about. He wants to hear stories about many things. I want you to name three of those things. Any three.
Valley.
Yes, valleys.
Heroes.
Then,
Friendly dog that wags its tail.
yes, okay, very good. So there are many things that are listed or that are printed as per what the child wants to hear stories about. But out of all those things, we need to use only three things. We need to use or write about only three things. So it is better that we take something that is already printed in a line. I want everybody to go back to the poem and tell me about three things which are printed in the same line of the poem. Come on. They are
Sun.
printed in the...
Sun, moon, and star.
Yes. Okay, I agree to it. There is something more as well. What is it? Try to find it out.
Hills,
Yeah, you're right.
valleys, forest, green.
Yes. Hills, valleys, and forests. Hills, valleys, and forests. We have done it. Yeah. So here we will write the answer as hills, valleys, VALLEYS, hills, valleys, and forests, 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 hills, valleys, and forests. Hills, valleys, and forests. Name or mention any three things that the child wants to hear about. Hills, valleys, and forests. Hills, valleys, and forests. Hills, valleys, and forests. Zara, sit properly. hills, valleys, and forests. If you write any other things that the child wants to hear about from this poem, that is fine. It's fine. But I prefer these three words because anyways, we are learning the poem. So it will be easy for you to remember these words. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Zara, read the second question. Question number 2. Unmute. Unmute your device. Yeah. Question number 2.
Name the three things in the sky that the children
The child. Read the word.
child wants to
Wants,
hear-
not wants. Wants.
wants to hear
To hear. Hear. Hear.
to hear stories about.
To hear stories about. Okay? Name the three things in the sky. Go back to the poem and try to find out three words of three things in the sky that the child wants to hear stories about.
Ma'am,
Mm.
I did not take my book.
Why?
My book in my grandma's house.
Okay. I have the poem with me. Find out the answer.
Sky,
What is the question? Do you remember the question? Three things found in the sky.
oh friendly dog that
Hmm.
A of his
Three things found in the sky, Zara.
of little fairies,
Do we find fairies in the sky? Three things found in the sky.
their queen,
Sorry? Zara, I cannot hear you. Found in the sky.
of little fairies,
Yes?
and
Hmm?
their queen. And
Of little fairies and their queen. No? See, Zara, in the question it is mentioned three things found in the sky. In the sky.
of little fairies,
Little
and
fairies
their
and their
queen.
queen, do we find them in the sky? In the sky. You are not paying attention. Pay attention to the question and answer accordingly.
of
Three things found in the sky. Read the second stanza of the poem. Read it loudly. Oh, Nani,
Nani, tell me a tale
tale
of lions
and
tigers
and
that
ships
ships
that sail.
sail
Of heroes, Of heroes who win wars.
Ma'am, your
Yeah.
audio is stuck.
It's okay.
Ma'am,
Zara, I can hear you.
audio
You
is
read.
stucking.
Zara, you read. I can hear you. Don't worry.
Okay. Only
Of
can you
heroes.
tell me a
Tale.
tale of lions and tigers and ships at sail.
Of heroes. Of heroes who win wars. Of heroes. Okay. Zara is facing network issues, I guess. Okay, Rose, continue reading and tell me the answer. Read from Of Heroes. Unmute. Of Heroes.
Sun, moon, and stars.
Yes, very good. Such an easy answer. The students who are concentrating in the class will be able to give the answer. But some of the students are very distracted. Do not let that happen. Okay, good, Rose. Very good. Thank you. So, my dear students, these are specific objects or bodies found in the sky. So, it will be better that we write each one, about each one specifically. The sun, the moon, the sun, the moon, and the stars. The sun, the moon, and the stars. Did everybody complete writing? The sun, the moon, and the stars. Okay. Very good, Rose. Thank you. Ryan Ramis, please unmute your device and read the third question. Unmute. The sun, the moon, and the stars. Ryan, unmute. Touch it only one time. Yeah, read. Question number 3.
Name the animal.
Louder, louder. I cannot hear you.
Name the animals
Mentioned. Name the animals mentioned.
mentioned in the
In the poem. Name the animals mentioned in the poem.
tiger and lion.
Sorry?
Tiger and lion.
One more is there. Go back to the poem and find out one more animal is mentioned in the poem.
Seal.
Sorry?
Seal.
Sorry? Child. No. Child means children. Child. One child, 2 and more children.
Yes.
Child means a kid, a baby, child. I want you to tell me the name of an animal.
Lion
And tiger, one more name is there. The name of one more animal is there. Look carefully.
and
Sorry?
chips.
No. Read the poem carefully and then tell me. Read the first stanza of the poem. You will get the name there.
Dog.
Yes. See, you got the answer yourself. Okay, Ryan? Good effort. Thank you. Okay. So let us write the names of animals that we see in this poem. Dog, lions, and tigers. Dog, lions, and tigers. Dog, lions, and tigers are animals mentioned in the poem. Dog, lions, and tigers. Okay. Thank you, Ryan. Very good. Daksha Lakshmi, unmute your device and read question number 4. Try.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, read.
What do the heroes in the poem do?
Hmm.
The
What do the heroes in the poem do?
The heroes who win wars.
Yes, very good. The heroes win wars. Please tell me the spellings of each word of the answer.
H-E.
T-H-E. Huh?
The
H-E.
H-E-R-O-E-S.
How would you read that word?
Heroes.
Heroes. Okay. After that, the heroes.
Win.
Spelling.
W-I-N.
Yes. W-I-N. Win.
Wars.
Wars.
W-A-R-S.
Yes. Very good. What must I put at the end of the answer?
Full stop.
Full stop. Yes, you're right. Very good, Daksha. Thank you. The heroes win wars. The heroes win wars. What do the heroes do in the poem? Or what do the heroes in the poem do? The heroes win wars. The heroes win wars. Sivanedya, unmute your device and tell me the meaning of the word heroes. Who are heroes? Unmute. 1 second. Try. Yeah. Who are heroes?
Brave people.
Brave people. Brave people. Yes, very good. Can you tell me the spellings of both the words? Brave people. Yeah. Tell me.
B-R-A-V-E. Brave people.
Okay.
B-E-O-P-L-E.
Fantastic. Well done. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Heroes are, yeah, welcome. Heroes are brave people. Okay, very good. Now, let's move to the value-based questions. Malavika, unmute your device and read the first value-based question.
Do you think that the child is close to her grandmother? Why?
Okay. The first question is, do you think that the child is close to her grandmother? Here, this is a yes or no question. That means you need to tell me the answer as a yes or as a no, according to what you think.
Yes.
Yes, very good. So I will start my answer with writing yes, full stop. Then the next question is, Malavika,
Why?
why? Why do you think that the child is close to her grandmother? Before going to the answer, I want you to tell me the meaning of the word close here. What do you feel is the meaning of the word close here?
Near.
Sorry? Come on, try. Near means
Someone.
Anna Princeton, please mute your device. I don't want anybody else to answer in between now. Okay? Everybody will get the due chance. Yes, Malavika. Close means near. I think you are sitting close to your mother now. Is she there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Is that the meaning of this clause here? Near, near. Clause near. I agree to what you said. But is that the meaning here?
No.
No. Then what is the meaning here? Try. You understood my question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So to tell me what is the meaning of close here? You are sitting close to your mother. That is not the close mentioned here. You understood it, right? So
Yes.
what is the meaning of close here? The door is closed. Is that the meaning of close here?
No.
No, that also is not the meaning. Then what is the meaning of close here? As per the context, you have to think. Likewise, I want each one of you to think differently. Every word has its own meaning. The meanings may be a bit related here and there, but
Near.
okay. But depending on the situation, the meaning of the words change. Try to understand that.
The child is near to her grandma.
Sitting near to her grandmother, standing near to her grandmother. Is that what the question means? I'm asking you. Yes or no? No, right?
No.
No. It has nothing to do with sitting and standing. What is it related to? That is the answer that I want from you. Am I confusing you?
Ma'am.
I want you to think in a different way. That is why I'm trying to ask you this question.
Anna. Ma'am.
Samanvaya, please wait. Okay. Do you like your mother?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. That's a
Yes,
very
ma'am.
strong and confident answer, which you gave me as soon as I asked you the question. Good. I'm happy to hear that. But here also, the word close means, does the child like her grandmother? Is she attached to her grandmother or not? Did you understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
If you like someone, a person, then only you will feel like listening to stories from him or her. That is the meaning of the word close here. Is it clear to you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now you tell me the answer. Do you think that the child is close to her grandmother? Why? Yes, you gave me the answer. I have written it. Now the next question is why? Why do you think that the child is close to or attached to her grandmother? Why?
Because the child wants to hear stories
About many things. From whom? That is important.
grandmother.
From her grandmother. Yes, very good. Yes. Okay. Now the answer is clear.
Yes,
Is the
ma'am.
meaning clear to you?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So depending on the context, the meanings of some words change. Okay. There are many such words in English language. Gradually, when you move to the higher classes, you will be understanding and learning about such words. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. So, do you think that the child is close to her grandmother? Yes. The child, W-A-N-T-S, wants to hear, H-E-A-R, hear stories. Or we can write this in any other way also. Let me make it simpler for you. Sorry. Yes. The child What is the word that is used for her grandmother? That is why I changed the answer. I wanted to mention that word here.
Nani.
Nani. Yes, very good. The
Oh,
child
Nani.
asks her
Oh,
Nani to
Tell the story.
tell
To tell
her
the story. To tell
bedtime,
the story.
bedtime, or any time, bedtime stories. Actually, you can write these answers in your own words, but I'm just helping you in doing it.
Ma'am, can you send it in the WhatsApp group?
Yes, I will definitely do that.
The value-based questions.
Yeah, those also I will send. But the second question, the second value-based question is supposed to be written as per your views, your opinions. Samanvaya, please read the second value-based question and try to tell me the answer.
Describe something you would like to do with your grandparents or someone in your family.
In your family. Okay. So my dear students, this is an answer which will change from person to person. One person will have to say about somebody, another person will have to say about somebody else. The way of spending time with your family members will vary from one child to another. So accordingly, the answer will also change. So now I want Samanvaya to give me the answer. Actually, I want all of you to try and write this second value-based questions answer on your own. You can write about anything or anyone that you want to write about. Yes, Samanvaya. Describe something you would like to do with your grandparents or someone in your family.
When I go to my grandparents' house, I will be very happy.
You will be very happy. You feel very happy. Why?
Yes, I will feel
Why?
because
How do you spend time with them?
I play with my grandparents.
Hmm.
My grandmother tell me stories.
Okay, very good.
Tells me stories about new things.
Okay,
I love to hear stories.
okay, very good. Okay, so all that you can write here.
They
Hmm.
they give me candies
Okay, they give you
and
candies.
and
Hmm?
new dresses.
And new dresses also. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, thank you for sharing.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. So I hope everybody has got some idea about how to answer the second value-based question. I want each one of you to write the answer on your own for this question, number 2. Let me stop sharing.
Yes.
Okay. I hope everybody has understood the meaning of the word close here in the first value-based question. Close.
Yes.
Everybody understood?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good. So, my dear students, it is time for me to wind up the session here. If anybody has not been able to complete any part of the question answers, I will be sending it in the group. That time you can complete it. Okay? Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.